welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful fall morning. We're gonna go for a drive, go to the car wash, and see some nice colors. Just about to get on the highway now. It's one of my favorite times of the year to drive. I love it. So I don't normally go to car washes with this car very often. I prefer not to use those brushes and whatever, but the car's already scratched like crazy. 25-year-old paint job. Yeah, I decided I'll just go check it out. I've never been to this one. It kind of sucks because there's a gravel parking lot, but I just didn't feel like doing it at home today. You know? The colors are just beautiful. I love it. Almost to the car wash now. I just had to stop and pick up some change. This is not the nicest looking place. That was without a doubt the worst car wash I've ever been to. There was no soap. Nothing shot soap out. That was an epic failure. Oh man, now I gotta go dry this thing off. Ooh, I'm gonna bottom out coming out of here too. I genuinely cannot believe how bad that was. That was like literally no washing the car, just spraying water at it. How is this place even open right now? That's rough. Waste of $6. So I don't know what to say. I'll do a pull onto the highway and that'll be the end of this video. Look at these colors. Beautiful.